Hello everyone. Welcome to the LookX AI tutorial series, a dedicated AI tool built specifically for architects and designers. In episode 2, I will introduce our new feature, chat generation. Upon entering the interface, you will see the central chat box. Upload a reference image or describe directly with text. Below the chat box, there are 4 functional options. If you have specific requirements, you can complete them directly through them. And on the left is the conversation history. Makes it easy to retrieve your generation history. Here we simply input our requirements into the chat box, taking a 2-story villa as an example. Input the prompt, and wait a moment. Let's see how it looks. It looks pretty good. But I don't want it to be white. Let's optimize it. Click on Smart Editing. Input the requirement, such as turn the walls to wooden. It looks much more natural now. However, the scene feels a bit dull with just the house. Let's add a car. Click Area Redraw. Circle the position where you want to edit. And input the prompt. Now the scene is much richer. If you have other editing needs, such as reframe, remove elements or upscale, you can continue editing here. Now I feel the image is almost done. I can download it directly, or generate a video based on this image. This will be the part for the next episode. We will explain how to generate videos. Thank you for watching. See you later.